Today, I'm going to be talking about YouTrip, a relatively new financial technology company that offers a unique way to manage your money. YouTrip is a multi-currency card that allows you to spend and withdraw money in foreign currencies without any fees. This is a great option for travelers who want to avoid the high exchange rates and fees that are often charged by traditional banks and credit cards. But does YouTrip work like a credit card? Before we get into the specifics of how YouTrip works, let's take a quick look at the different types of credit cards. There are two main types of credit cards. Charge cards. Charge cards have no preset spending limit. Instead, you are required to pay off your balance in full each month. Revolving credit cards. Revolving credit cards have a preset spending limit. You can carry a balance from month to month, but you will be charged interest on the unpaid balance. YouTrip is not a credit card in the traditional sense. It is a prepaid card that is loaded with your own money. This means that you can only spend the money that you have already deposited onto the card. So, how does YouTrip work? Sign up for a YouTrip account. You can do this online or through the YouTrip app. Fund your account. You can fund your account by linking your bank account or credit card. Order your YouTrip card. Once you have funded your account, you can order your YouTrip card. Start using your YouTrip card. Once you receive your card, you can start using it to make purchases and withdraw money in foreign currencies. YouTrip offers a number of benefits that make it a great option for travelers. No foreign exchange fees. YouTrip does not charge any foreign exchange fees, so you can get the best possible exchange rate when you travel. Low fees. YouTrip charges a low fee for each transaction, so you can save money on fees compared to other travel cards. Wide range of currencies. YouTrip supports over 150 currencies, so you can use your card in almost any country in the world. Travel insurance. YouTrip offers travel insurance to protect you in case of accidents or emergencies. So, does YouTrip work like a credit card? The answer is no, YouTrip is not a credit card. It is a prepaid card that is loaded with your own money. However, YouTrip offers a number of benefits that make it a great option for travelers. With that said, thanks for watching.